Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower.
The unrivaled king of budget smartphone maker Xiaomi recently released two new smartphones to their Redmi lineup. And today we'll be reviewing the Redmi 5 Plus variant, which by region got named both Redmi 5 Plus and Redmi Note 5. You're watching BD Next Level, and let's begin. At a first glance, the smartphone is unlike any other budget offerings from Xiaomi. The same old plastic band antenna with its aluminum body, fingerprint scanner on the back, power button and volume rocker on the right, hybrid SIM slot on the left, speaker grills, micro USB on the bottom, headphone jack and Xiaomi signature RR blaster on the upper portion. This whole setup is pretty common to all other budget Xiaomi smartphones. But the anomaly here is its 18:9 aspect ratio on a 5.99-inch display. With a resolution of 1080 by 2160, this IPS panel display offers a PPI of 403. From the sharpness, color saturation to the viewing angle, the display looks great. But the display, being a 450 nits panel, felt a bit insufficient in the outdoor lighting. Although it was fine with its full brightness, but still, Xiaomi could have implemented better. Apart from that, everything else about the display felt great. 2.5D curved display and the 18:9 aspect factor played a major role in the content submersion. Opening its camera is where the disappointment starts. On the rear, it has a 12 megapixel f2.2 camera, which is totally a hit or miss. Sometimes it was giving off a well-balanced picture with decent dynamic range, and then a second later, it was capturing photos that I swear you could have taken with a potato. But on a brighter note, this 5 megapixel camera on the front felt decent. Although being a bit contrast heavy, it managed to pull off some decent selfies. And talking about selfies, it also has a flash in front for low light situations. The camera user interface, while being minimalist, also felt lackluster. The manual mode inside offers a few ISO white balance tweaks, which I agreed to skip altogether. But all the disappointments from the camera experience vanished with its somewhat smooth gaming experience. The phone comes in 332GB and 464GB variants, but all the other essential internals, like its Snapdragon 625 chipset, octa-core Cortex-A53 CPU, Adreno 506 GPU, are there to accommodate a decent gaming experience, with which most of the 2D and 3D games run with little to no lag. And the 4000 mAh giant battery is a treat to all the mobile gamers out there. Those were the nits and grits about the smartphone. Skipping the disappointing camera, this phone is a solid performer, especially with a price tag like such. The design, although being a bit boring and repetitive, is also very soothing. Out of the box, it comes with Nougat 7.1.2 running under MIUI 9, but the phone never felt like it's running under a skin or a UI. For those who are on a budget and don't care much about the camera, should give this one a shot, especially its 3GB variant, which offers a better value in my opinion. So this was the review of the Redmi Note 5. Please suggest anything and everything on the comment box down below, and consider subscribing if you enjoyed. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next level.